Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing as well as trying out some new Half Magic Beauty products. So if you would like to see what's inside this box or see this look that we have on our eyes today, then just stay tuned. All right, so Half Magic Beauty was kind enough to send over their new Sparklestik eye crayon shades. So the Sparklestik eye crayons already exist, but Half Magic Beauty has created 4 new shades for you guys, and they are absolutely stunning. These have 12-hour crease-proof wear. They are blendable and mess-free. You can literally just blend these out with a brush or with your fingertip, and then they do dry down for that long wear. They also have an easy glide-on tapered tip. So let's go ahead and swatch each and every one of these so you guys can see how gorgeous these are. All right, so this first shade is called Beige Mystique. You guys, these are so easy to work with. They are super beginner friendly. And if you're not sure about like sparkle or color just yet, these are perfect to kind of practice and play with because since they are buildable, you can do just a little tiny pop of sparkle or like a ton of sparkle. And they do come in so many shades. So here we have Beige Mystique. And as you can see, it just glides right on. And there is what it looks like. That is so, so pretty. And it just glides on like butter, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Next, we have the new shade called Princess Teddy. Absolutely stunning. Glides on with ease, and this is like a beautiful bronzy shade. Gorgeous. Next, we have the shade Noir or Never, and this is a stunning black shade, you guys. It has kind of like a gold sparkle within it. It is so beautiful. And then for the last of the new shades, this is Frost Winkle. And it is a stunning kind of periwinkle shade. It is absolutely beautiful. Then they also included 2 of their best-selling shades. We have Champagne Snowflake, which looks a little something like this. Absolutely gorgeous. I love using this for an inner corner highlight or brow bone highlight. You could probably even pop this right on the tip of the nose. And then the other best-selling shade that they sent over is called Faux Bot. And it is a beautiful kind of pewter, metallic, just gorgeousness. So stunning. So there are all of the new Sparklestik shades as well as the 2 best-selling Sparklestik shades. Let's go ahead and use all of these Sparklestik shades in a look. I am taking Faux Bot first and just applying that right here into my crease. And then I'm just going to take a brush and sort of blend that out. Next, I'm taking Princess Teddy, and that's going to go right onto my lid. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Just going to take a brush and ever so slightly blend that out as well. Now taking Beige Mystique, and I'm just placing that towards the front of my eye here. Just gonna kind of slightly blend that out with my finger. Look at that shine, you guys. So, so pretty. Now taking Noir or Never. This is such a beautiful shade. This is just gonna go on the outer corner here. I'm gonna really blend this out. And we're also going to line the lid with this. Now taking Champagne Snowflake, inner corner and brow bone. So I lined my waterline with the Cool Coyote eyeliner from Urban Decay, and now I'm using a little Half Magic mascara to kind of coat my lashes. And now we're gonna go in with the last shade of the Sparklesticks, which is called Frost Winkle. This is such a pretty shade. I'm just going to apply this right in here on my lower lash line area. And finishing off this Half Magic look, I'm using the Sculptitude 2-in-1 lip liner in the shade You're My Taupe. And to finish off that lip look, just taking the Magic Drip lip gloss in the shade Frosty Bitch. And here's the final look using the new shades of the Half Magic Beauty Sparklestik Eye Crayons, as well as the best sellers. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. Will you be trying out the new shades of the Half Magic Beauty Sparklestik Eye Crayons? I just want to say a big thank you to Half Magic for sending me all of these products to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.